Okay, Nathan. So this is lesson information for January 12th, 2018, your inaugural lesson information. All right. So you're working on for me on keyboards. You've got the one hand alone exercises, the first three notes of the scale, the 1, 3, and 5 notes of the scale, the 1, 5, 1 notes of the scale. Working with either hand, working it's slow to fast. Really thinking about your strokes being heavy and pushing sound out of the bar, as we analogized, and hitting the centers of the bars for the naturals and the very ends for the accidentals. And you're going to do that in B flat major, D major, and C major.
Okay.
Then in addition, you're gonna puzzle out B flat, D major, and C major from the information I'm going to package together for you in a supplementary email as an attachment, and you're going to work it so you can play those scales, those same three scales, every note up and down in the pattern that we use in your lessons, which is also pattern number 1 from my 2-mallet exercises, which I'm going to send to you. If you want to do more scales than that, for the quarter, it would be great if you could do all 12 of the major scales and get that requirement checked off. That's a good basis of knowledge for you to have.
That's the requirement, right? Like
Yeah,
playing
for the prep
scales.
level. For the prep level, yeah.
Okay.
Then you'll also have repertoire at your jury for both snare and keyboards. And this week for snare drum, I'm going to give you a piece of repertoire to start with. The Cerrone Portraits in Rhythm Etude number 1. I'll send it to you as an attachment in the email, and then you'll get that book. You'll get some snare drum sticks, the SD1 sticks. I'll put the link in there in the email for that. And we'll go with your Firth mallets as you have for keyboards right now. They should be fine, especially if we want to rewrap them a little bit once they get a little hard. And then there'll be a keyboard repertoire book that you'll get along with the others. You can get the stuff from Amazon. Most of it, I think all of it probably from Amazon. If you're a Prime member and can get it for free shipping, that's probably the easiest way to go. But I'll also give you an alternate place where you go, Steve Weiss Music in Philadelphia. They won't charge you tax, versus Amazon will charge you tax.
Okay.
But you'll have to pay for shipping from Steve Weiss.
Yeah.
So you might try pricing it in both sources. That way, if it's cheaper to go all told with Steve Weiss versus Amazon, then you might go that route.